How to enable developer mode on Android device. Developer mode helps you to tweak your Android phone to suit your taste. So to enable it is very simple. Tap on the settings icon on your device. Now take a look at this. There's no developer mode here. If you scroll to the base, you have system, Google. Take a look at what is here. There's no developer mode here. Now go ahead and tap on my phone on your device. Then scroll up until you see build number. And if you are unable to get the build number on your device, then tap on search button here, tap on it again, then type in build number. Tap on build number, then tap on it again. It will take you to where there is build number. Now tap the build number multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you need to provide your details, provide your PIN. Now let's tap back. Let's tap back here. Let's scroll down. You should be able to see the developer mode. Now you can see that you are already a developer. Now you've been able to enable the developer mode on your device. So if you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.